Hello, today we are going to be taking a look at the new Anker Soundcore Space A40 wireless earbuds. These earbuds are available for £90, which makes them a great budget-friendly option when compared to other wireless earbuds. The A40s come with some great features for this price range. They have active noise cancellation and claim to reduce noise by up to 98%. They also have a 10-hour battery life, and the charging case can give you up to 50 hours of listening time, which is over twice the time you get with the first generation AirPods Pros. The Anker A40 earbuds come with 5 different size ear tips, which means that there is probably an ear tip that will fit your ear well, allowing you to get better noise cancellation. The case is a similar shape and size to the AirPods Pro case, however it is quite a bit thicker. They still nicely fit into your pocket, however, and you soon get used to the added thickness. You can control many of the features using the Soundcore app. This allows you to change between noise cancelling and transparency modes, as well as set the level of noise cancelling. It also has an option to automatically change the level of noise cancelling based on the surrounding environment. Using the app, you can set custom controls for the touch controls. The only feature I miss from my AirPods is the automatic ear tip detection. These do not automatically stop your music when you remove them, and I found the touch controls to be a bit easy to miss at times. You can also set the EQ by either creating your own or using one of the preset options. There is also a feature they call Hear ID, which plays various sounds and uses the microphones to create an EQ that is specific to your ear. I personally really enjoy the sound quality of these earbuds, and they are great if you enjoy bass, as they have a strong low end. If you are looking for a pair of earbuds under £100, these are probably the best option, and I would say that they even rival those closer to £200.